Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do a full reset on your Beko washing machine, step by step and updated for 2025. Let's jump right in. Step 1, make sure the machine is off. Start by switching off your Beko washing machine using the power button. If your model doesn't have one, unplug it from the wall socket. Wait for about 10 seconds. Step 2, turn the dial to position 1. Next, turn the program selector knob to position 1. That's usually the cotton or synthetic cycle. Keep it there. Step 3, press and hold the start pause button. Now, press and hold the start pause button. While holding it, turn the dial clockwise to position 2. Step 4, wait for the lights to blink. Keep holding the button until the indicator lights on the display blink or flash. That's your sign that the reset is working. Step 5, turn the machine off and on again. Once the lights flash, release the button. Turn the machine back off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Your Beko washer should now be fully reset. Extra tip, if your washer is still acting up, check the filter or refer to your user manual. Some errors may need further steps. And that's it. You've just reset your Beko washing machine the right way. If this guide helped, please like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.